Options are just a derivative of stock. If the stock's at 10 and you buy the 13 calls, you're just buying a little itty bit of stock. It's a derivative of stock. You have an option to be long from 13. If the stock closes at 10, do you want to be long from 13? No. So you don't have to exercise. It's really important to remember whenever you trade options, you could also trade the underlying stock to manage those positions. Lots of folks have options experience, but they're not really comfortable trading options. They've been trading options for a while, but they haven't had that breakthrough just yet. So we see this quite a bit. Eddie here has been trading since 2012 and is just recently really starting having his breakthroughs. Val here too. Feel like I'm in the right place, especially surrounded by a great group of people. His unique trading philosophy is what attracted me, but what keeps people is the community, where everybody is in there talking about the trades together, because there are lots that you can do with options that even if you've been trading for 20 years, you may not realize. So the next part that I'm going to share is something that many folks don't realize they can do with options. We're able to do it in one of our earnings trades. Let me explain what that is. Now, because our earnings trade is still open, it closes in August, I can't share the exact trade. But here's the trade. Let's use a phony baloney stock, and we'll call this phony baloney stock ABC. ABC, long one put on the 15 strike. If you're long, if your position is long one put on the 15 strike right here, the stock gets slaughtered, absolutely tattooed. Options market, what happens if there's no options, if there's no liquidity? What happens if the stock is moving so fast that your long puts, so you're really short stock from 14, right? 15 minus 1, so you're short stock from 14. The stock cup starts coming off, but liquidity dries up in the options because maybe there's too much volatility, whatever the reason is. What do you do? What do you do? Some people would be very frustrated that they're just stuck in their position. But what you can do is you can buy 100 shares of the underlying stock. So if you're long one put and you're long 100 shares of ABC from 4, well, you make $10 on this trade. We're a big believer, guys, in the creative trader wins. Education mitigates risk. The more you learn, I feel like a rapper, the more you earn.